Can you see yourself in the 2023 Nissan Titan? You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, cooled front seat, fog lamps, backup camera. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.